Twin Cities kids are learning about finances early thanks to help from a Minneapolis nonprofit. Today, dozens of employees from the ECMC Group created kits to teach Twin Cities third graders about money. And they want to help students learn basic concepts of business and economics.
We use these kits to determine how they will pay their rent and other bills and how they will manage their finances to help them prepare for the day when they really have to do that on their own.
Each of the ECMC kits includes 5 lessons, and each one lasts about 45 minutes.